My name is Jordan Smith, and I work with Reisinger & Company. So we have about 15 guys that work for our custom home building company that do trim carpentry, cabinetry, finished carpentry, as well as steel work. In today's design trends, there's a lot of stair rails and handrails and doors that are steel, made out of steel or brass or metal, and we fabricate all of that as well. There is always people in both the front offices here as well as what used to be the steel shop. So we actually used to build cabinetry and steel out of this space that we're in now. We're converting that as we grow into a project manager workspace. So the whole building's used as an office building now. This isn't a well-insulated building. It's a 1950s cinder block building. So the air conditioning equipment really has to work to keep it cool because we haven't put in the insulation that a modern building would have. But we've got these really cool open rafters that architecturally we wanted to keep.
They weren't going to put a ceiling in it, so we decided to use exposed ductwork, which is pretty architecturally pleasing. We had some help with equipment selection with Positive Energy. They're a design group. We'll take our ideas, pass it by them, and then we'll come together with a good design.
I'm Christoph Irwin with Positive Energy. Positive Energy's been around, I'm proud to say, for 10 years now. I had known the Reisinger team long before they bought this space. And so they moved in, they talked to me about their goals for different condition zones. They talked to me about the fact that they might not be here forever and they might want to take the equipment with them somewhere else. And so we developed a system that was interchangeable and versatile.
On a light day, we might have 3 people total in this building, and we have the conference room running, meetings out here, and the back office fully going. We'll have 30+ people in this building. So being able to get larger units that will keep up with the high demand, but then scale back and be very efficient when we don't have all of the demand on it is very convenient.
You know, we want to deliver a design that the entire project team watches get hit out of the park. That's what we want to do. And so Mitsubishi absolutely has, in this market, more trained installers and more parts availability.
So Positive Energy, in our designs, we work with Mitsubishi a lot because Mitsubishi not only has really great equipment, they have been in the VRF market in the US for longer than anybody else, and their support on the ground is pretty unparalleled. So if there's something that goes wrong and we need to get somebody out to troubleshoot, we can always count on Mitsubishi to be there for that, and that's a big deal to us. Most often we work with Greg Brown here in the Austin area, and he's always dropping by the office, making sure that things are okay, and he's also supporting our projects on the ground. I've walked through quite a few of them with him.
My interaction with Positive Energy has been eye-opening. So here you have a mechanical engineer that wants to be involved in the project from the very beginning to the very end. Well, typically, either an architect or mechanical engineer, they're going to do their part, and then once their part's done, they're finished with the job. Where someone like Positive Energy, they want to stay involved all the way through the end, and even 2-3 years later, if there are issues, they want to be involved. And that's not something you see every day.
As far as Mitsubishi equipment, it's been great. There hasn't been any issues or any problems. I know that we used it here, and we use it on a lot of our projects where traditional ducted systems won't work, and even where there are a ducted system required, the VRF with the ducted system like what we have in here is a great way to get that control that you need.